Hi, I have come with some more match the following. So, most asked match the followings. Match the followings from previous year KCET and NEET. So, as you all know, in a NEET exam around 10 to 11 match the followings will be asked. So, I am here with the video which is very crucial for the KCET and NEET aspirants. So the first question which is given here, that is, match the following list of bioactive substances and their roles. So here they have given, in the first column they have given bioactive substances, in a column 2 they have given their important roles. So all you need to do is you have to match these bioactive substances with their respective roles. The first one, that is a statin. As you all know, this statin will reduce the cholesterol level. So statin lowers blood cholesterol. So here have they given or not? Let's see. See here they have given, that is the third one, lowering blood cholesterol. So this is true here. Then they have given the next one, that is cyclosporin A. Cyclosporin A. So what is the role of this bioactive agent here? This cyclosporin A, it is used as one of the immunosuppressive agent. Immunosuppressive agent. So let's check whether they have given here or not. Cyclosporin A, that they have given here, that is immunosuppressive agent. Then the next one, that is streptokinase. So what is the function of this streptokinase? So this streptokinase, it is one of the important bioactive substance, as it plays a major role in a removal of clots from the blood vessels. So let's see where they have given. So here they have given in a 2 option, streptokinase removal of clots from blood vessels. So the last one, that is a lipase. As you all know, this lipase, it is one of the enzyme that removes the oil stain. So answer this one, where they have given A3, B4, C2, D1. So that is fourth option. Fourth is the right answer for this question. So we'll discuss with the next one. This is from the topic, that is biotechnology. In first column they have given golden rice. As you all know, this golden rice, it is rich in vitamin A. Then Bt toxin. This Bt toxin, it contains a glyprotein. Then RNA interference. So this RNA interference, it is used as a gene silencing, or in a gene silencing this RNA interference will be utilized. Then a ROSI. So this is ROSI, it is a first transgenic cow. So for this one, the right option will be A2, B1, C4, D3. That is first option, that is A, is the right answer for this question. Then forensic science. So that is forensic science where the DNA fingerprinting will be utilized often. So for A, fourth is the right answer. Then ELISA, enzyme linked immunosorbent assay, that will be utilized or it function through the principle, that is antigen and antibody interaction. So ELISA, that is AIDS. Then probes, as you all know, probes, they are radioactive DNA or RNA probes. Then the last one, what they have given, alpha 1 antitrypsin. This alpha 1 antitrypsin, it cures the disease, that is emphysema. So right answer for this one, A4, B1, C2, D3. So D is the right answer for this question. So next question. So already it is matched here. Let's see. Ladybird. As you all know, this ladybird, it is one of the biofertilizer, or it can be considered as a biofertilizer. So where the ladybirds, these ladybird, they directly feed on the insects, that is aphids. So these aphids, they cause damage to rice plants or rice crops. So this ladybird, it kills aphids. So A3 is the right answer. Then mycorrhizae, it is a fungal association with the root nodules. So that is it, mycorrhizae, it will form a glomus. So fourth one is the right answer here, glomus. Then biological control. Sorry, this ladybird aphid. So it can be considered as biological control agents. I think I have used as a biofertilizer. Sorry for the mistake. Here, ladybird, it is one of the biological control agent where it affects or kills aphids. Then mycorrhizae, it will form a glomus with the root nodules. Then biological control, that is trichoderma. Again, trichoderma, it is one of the fungal species. Then the last one, biogas. This biogas is mainly produced from the bacteria, that is methanobacterium. So right answer for this question will be A3, B4, C2, then D1. B is the right answer for this question. So next one, again in this one they have already matched. Let's discuss gene therapy. So this gene therapy done through, or this commonly called as SCID, severe combined immunodeficiency, or SCID. So biofertilizer, again the rhizobium, it is a fungi. Then BT cotton, as you all know, BT cotton contains crygene. Then humulin, it is one of the product which is synthesized to cure diabetes. So for this one, that is A3, B1, C2, D4. The B option is the right answer. So we'll discuss the next question. Here The next one, predation. Predation. What is this predation? Where you will see this predation. What is the example for this predation? Where one organism is dependent on other organism, where you will come across a predator and a prey. So here for this predation we have a special example, that is cactus and moth. So cactus and moth, it is one of the example for predation. Then for commensalism we have orchid and mango. Then for parasitism, as you all know, the cuscuta and hedge plant. Cuscuta, it is one of the parasitic plant which will be present on the hedge plants. So C, 1 is the right answer. Then the competition, that is between the balanus and cathamalus. So for this, A is the right answer. A3, B4, C1, D2. So this one will be the right answer for this question. So next one, it is from a topic, that is biomolecules. So fatty acids, what are these fatty acids? What is the example for this fatty acid? So the fatty acid, the typical example for this fatty acid, that is palmitic acid. Palmitic acid, it is a 16 carbon compound. So this 16 carbon compound, it is one of the example for fatty acid. Then for this phospholipid, we'll come across lecithin. So this lecithin is an example for the phospholipid. Then for aromatic amino acid, we have tryptophan, tyrosine. So here they have given tryptophan, so this one will be the right answer. Then for acidic amino acid, glutamic acid is the right answer. So hence, so this B answer is the right here. So next question. Collagen. So this collagen, what is the significance of this collagen? This collagen, it is one of the example for intercellular ground substance. Here trypsin, it is one of the enzyme. Insulin, it is one of the hormone. Then GLUT4, it is one of the glucose transport molecule, or it will act as a channel where glucose transport can occur. Hence, so A is the right answer for this one. A3, D4, C2 and D1. So this is also from the topic, that is biomolecules. So in this biomolecules, you will get many different tabular columns. You have to practice thoroughly, as most of them are asked in a NEET exams. So next one, again it is from the topic, that is biomolecules. So water, what is the concentration of water? That is, it is the concentration of water will be more in a living organisms, where 70 to 90% of water will be absorbed. Then protein, so this protein concentration, that is 10 to 15. Then carbohydrates, that is 3. Lipids, that is 3. Third one, that is 2. The nucleic acid, 5 to 7%. So B is the right answer for this question. Then next one, again it is from the topic biomolecules. Pigments, what are the pigments present in plants? Carotenoid and anthocyanin, these are the plant pigments. Then terpenoids, monoterpenes and diterpenes, alkaloids. What are the examples for alkaloids? That is morphine and cadine are the alkaloids. Then lectin, the concavalin. So A is the right answer for this question. So we'll discuss with the next one. It is from the topic that is human health and diseases. Active natural immunity. So active natural immunity will be obtained when we have a direct contact with the pathogen. So direct contact with the pathogen, here they have given direct contact with the pathogen that have entered inside. So when we come across this pathogen, then that will be considered as a active immunity. So A3 is the answer. Then which is considered as first line of defense. So first line of defense, that will be shown by the surface barriers which are present in our body. So surface barriers, skin, mucus, etc. Then passive natural immunity. So this passive natural immunities, that will be shown by the placenta. So antibodies transferred through the placenta, that is one of the best example for this passive natural immunity. Then the last one, second line of defense, that is the complement proteins and interferons, they are considered as a second line of defense. So for this question, which is considered as a right answer, so A3, B4, C5, D2. So C is the right answer for this question. So we'll discuss with the next, match the following, that is elephantiasis. So here, which one of the following options gives the correct matching of a disease with a causative organism and mode of infection? So they have given disease, causative organism and mode of infection. You need to choose a correct thing. Elephantiasis, Ucheria bancrofti, then with infected water and food. This is wrong. That will be obtained through bite of mosquito. Then here, second one, malaria, Plasmodium vivax. This is true, but here they have given male Anopheles mosquito. It has to be female Anopheles mosquito. So this is also wrong here. Then typhoid, Salmonella typhi. This is true, but with inspired air. This is wrong. So it is one of the bacterial disease obtained through unhygienic food and water. So this is also wrong. The fourth one, pneumonia, Streptococcus pneumoniae, then droplets infection. This is true. So D is the right answer for this question. Next question. In which one of the following options the two examples given in column 1 are correctly matched with their particular type of immunity in column 2? They have given an example and a type of immunity. You have to choose the correctly matched option here. The first one, saliva in mouth, tears in eyes. This is, they have given physical barrier, so it is example of physiological. It is one of the example of physiological barrier, so this one is wrong here. Then second statement, mucus coating of epithelium, urinogenital tract and HCl in stomach. HCl in stomach it is regarding physiological barrier, but the mucus coating this epithelium and urinogenital tract, it is basically regarding physical barrier. This HCl in stomach, this is regarding physiological. This is also wrong here. Then see, let's see this third one, polymorphonuclear leukocytes and monocytes. So PMNL cells and monocytes, these are the example of what? Cellular barrier. So this one is correct here. So this is true with the option. Then D option, anti-tetanus, anti-snake bite injection, these are considered as active immunity. No, they are passive immunity. So C is the right answer for this question. Next one, here they have given a type of leucoplasts and their stored food. So as you all know, the chloroplast will be divided. Chloroplast, it is one of the cell organelle present in the plants. So this cell organelle will be divided into three types. The first one is called as sorry. So I will repeat the same thing again. So here the plastids. So plastids are present mainly in the plants and euglenoids. The plastids will be divided into three types. The first one, that is chloroplast. The second one will be a chromoplast. This is first one. This is second one. The third one, that is a leucoplast. So this leucoplast again have three different types based on the storage. First one, that is amyloplast. Second one, a leroplast. The third one, that is elioplast. So this is the actual classification of the plastids. The first one, that is a chloroplast. So as it contains a chlorophyll pigment, a chromoplast contains other colored pigments like fat soluble pigments, carotenoids, xanthophylls will be seen in this chromoplast. The leucoplast, it is considered as a colorless plastid. So this colorless plastid's main function is to store food. So this storage, based on the storage of a food, we classified this leucoplast. This amyloplast always store carbohydrates. Aleuroplast always store protein, whereas elioplast, it will store oil and fats. So this is the actual classification of the plastids. So in this one they have given regarding the leucoplast. So you have to choose the correct leucoplast here. So amyloplast. So this amyloplast, what it stores? It stores carbohydrate. So third one is the right answer here. Then what is the function of elaioplast? This elaioplast, it will store oils and fats. So the first one is the answer here. Then next one, that is aleroplast, it will store protein. So hence for this question, which is the right answer? A3, B1, C2. So A is the right answer. So we'll discuss with the next one. Next one. So let's discuss the next question. Let's discuss the next question, that is regarding the chromosomes. It is regarding chromosome. As you all know, the chromosomes are classified. The chromosomes are classified based on the position of centromere. Position of centromere. So this, based on this position of centromere, we have four different type of chromosome. The first one is metacentric. The second one is metacentric. The third one is acrocentric. The fourth one is telocentric. So let's discuss regarding this one. So in metacentric chromosome, you'll come across somewhat the centrally situated centromere with two equal arms. Two equal arms. So this is the structure of a metacentric chromosome. Then a submetacentric chromosome, where the centromere is just away from the center with two different types of arms. One will be a short, another one will be a long arm. Then the third type of chromosome, that is acrocentric, where the centromere is towards the end, where you will get across two different arms, where one will be very small, another one will be very long. Then the last one, that is the telocentric, where the centromere is at a terminal with one very small, one very large arm. So this is the classification of chromosome based on what? Based on position of centromere. So in this they have given four different options. Let's see here what is true regarding this metacentric, where centromere is at the middle. This one is the true here. Then submetacentric, centromere is slightly away from the middle. So B2 is right. Acrocentric, centromere close to its end. This is also true. Telocentric terminal centromere. So hence for this one A is the right option. So we'll discuss with the next question. So what is the function of centriole? Centriole, it forms what? Basal body, cilia and flagella. Chlorophyll will be seen in the thylakoids. Cristae, it is a inner folding of the mitochondria, sorry. Then ribozyme, it is one of the nucleic acid. So A4, B2, C1, D3. So A is the right answer for this question. So we'll discuss with the next one. That is, so next question. Here they have given regarding the reproductive health chapter. From reproductive health chapter they have given regarding this IUDs and its respective roles. So first one they have given LNG20. As you all know, this LNG20, it is one of the example for hormone releasing IUD, intrauterine device, that is LNG20. It is one of the hormone releasing. Then Lipper loops. So this Lipper loop, it is one of the non-medicated IUD. Lipper loop, it is one of the non-medicated IUD. Then multi-load 375. So this multi-load 375, it is one of the example for copper releasing IUD. So hence the right answer for this one A1, B3, C2, that is the D option is the right answer in this question. So we'll discuss with the next one, that is regarding the first chapter, reproduction in flowering plants. So first one, funicle. So as you all know, this funicle, it is one of the funicle. So you'll come across this kind of structure, that is anatropous ovule. So this one is one of the diagram of a ovule. So this one, it is called as a funicle. This one is called as hilum. These are called as outer and inner integuments. Inner and outer integuments. Then you will come across a chalajal region, and also will come across the nucellus. So this part, that is nucellus. So this part will be considered as a embryo sac. Then this one, that is called as chalaja or chalajal end. This one will be called as a micropylar end. So this is a typical structure of a anatropous ovule. So just answer the given question based on the diagram we drawn here. The first one, funicle. So this funicle which is given here, so this funicle, it is one of the stalk of a ovule. So consider this part as a stalk of a ovule. Then they have given hilum. So this part, which is given in a ovule, that is commonly called as a region where the body of the ovule fuses with the funicle. So it is a gap or a junction between the ovule and the funicle. This part. So that is a fourth answer is the right here. Then integument. So what are these integuments? So these integuments, they are the protective layer, one or two protective layers of the ovule. So see, third one is the right answer. Then chalaja. So this chalaja, it is a basal part of the chalaja. So this is a basal part of the ovule. Then the last one, the nucellus, that is a mass of cells within the ovule with more food. So hence for this one, the right answer will be the second option, B. B is the right answer here. So we'll discuss the next question. So this one will be the last question. So we'll discuss some more questions in the next video. The first one, a parthenocarpy. As you all know, this parthenocarpy where fertilization, the fruits will get formed without fertilization. So they are commonly called as seedless fruits. Example will be the banana. So there are so many seedless fruits are available in the market. So these seedless fruits are commonly called as parthenocarpic fruits. Then next one, polyembryony. So polyembryony, so where occurrence of more than one embryo will be seen. Then apomixis where without fertilization seeds get formed. Meiosis and syngamy are absent. That is fertilization is absent. Then dormancy, it is one of the inactive state. So for this question, B is the right answer. So we'll discuss some more match the following in the next class. Thank you for watching. Thank you.